All right, guys. Well, I said I wasn't gonna film it, so we'll see how this goes. I think I'm just gonna have them.
You're done.
Are you done?
I'm done, but I'll wait till you're done.
Do you mind?
Not at all. It's 20 minutes.
I'll see you in 20 minutes. So that's Rick. Rick comes over from Santa Barbara. He comes over, rides a half day, rides to lunch, and then he rides home. He's so rad, and he supports us so. He's a rad dude. So I want to say goodbye to him before, but get some me time. And the Super Beast, oh no! The truck has never been that dirty. So upset right now, but we need a crash truck, so it's what got. So we're moving up to the B+ group. So we're gonna have to kick it up a notch, guys. So if you guys are following this, I will kind of give you a forewarning. I'm not going to be talking much because I'm on a me ride. So if you guys are here, just enjoy the ride, guys. Stop for this. Ooh. Oh, this was a bad one. So, wow. I usually don't show you guys this much, but let's make sure he is okay. You okay? Ooh, boy, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right. Hang tight here, the crash trucks are good. All right, so we're gonna get this thing red flagged because there is some, yeah, so stay back here. I'm gonna try to get the main carcass out of here. Wow. So he came off through here and lost it. Wow, that's a pretty good one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That was a good one, huh? You're okay though?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just my wrist hurts a little bit. In the middle of it, I realized that I was
tumbling. Yeah. So you lose all perspective. That's crazy, you lose all perspective, huh? I can see the tumbles. So there's one there. So look at, the bike went from there to there in the air. Yeah.
Oh, and then he landed.
Yeah, it just.
Upside down. Yeah. Yeah, that was a good one.
So right here, it probably landed on the top because that's where it just blew apart. Well,
that's the end of my day.
I don't think the fuel tank's got a little leak in it.
I think I'm gonna toss it on the way home.
All right, well, let me go ahead and just hang tight here. He's gonna come across track right here. Yeah, let's start picking up the pieces. So you can see when he come out and he lost it and he tumbled here, and here goes I was supposed to have a nice ride. You can see the bike hit here. This is where the initial kind of slap down came. So he lost it there, bike tumbled there, there, and there. Whew. Just carnage everywhere. So, not anything we ever want to see, but that would have been a spectacular crash to see. Not that I wanted to see it, but man, so you can see it. Airborne here, hit here, tumbled, and hit there again. Rider's okay, it's just there's...
Alright, well, I saw the accident. Usually I thought that meant...
I wanted to red flag it, so...
Oh, yeah, I told him the X means red flag. If I brought the maybe in a...
Yeah, I'm gonna have him hop in with you. Hey, let's I'm gonna just go ahead in with him. Just go ahead and in with them right now, and then we'll get this picked up, okay?
All of it?
Yep, don't worry about it. He's okay. His wrist hurts a little bit, but do you want to grab him and take him in for us?
You can take him in. Do you want to be checked out at all? Do you want to take him in?
Oh, so, whew, look at this, Jesus. Unbelievable. I mean, wow.
Sorry about that, guys. He wanted it shut down. Usually when they do that... But that's why I figured, hey, follow me.
Whew. Here, let me Is there no clutch? Get it? Yep, that was good. It was really just because of the debris. The guy was up.
Well, I didn't hear anything. I just heard write it down. He was in checking on lunches. And I heard, hey, there's only one out there showing me an X. That means shut it down. We know where he's pinning it all.
Just go to Bike Tech for now, and then we'll just wait for him. All right, we'll figure out where he's at. Whew. Right here, just kaboom. Gosh, dog. One of the sorry, I'm breathing so hard, guys. A little hot out here, but That's probably one of the craziest crashes. I didn't even see it. I saw the cloud of dust when I was coming up over through Phil Hill. I saw the cloud of dust, so I knew someone went off. But that might be the biggest, like, most spectacular bike crash that I've seen. I mean, whew, ride safe, boys and girls, ride safe. B+ group is no joke. I think that's the first crash in B+. Today we're going to lunch right now, so good thing the rider was up. But wow, I'm just at a loss for words for that bike. Like, let's see some reactions here coming up, because wow. Yeah, she's awful. Rick, this is how not to crash on the track.
Yeah, right? That'll buff out.
Well, there's a whole nother bike of other bikes.
Oh, it was 2 bikes?
No, that's one bike.
Just one bike.
It's all one bike? Yeah.
What the dude?
Everything gone.
How fast is it going?
He's coming out of the S's, not that bad, but the bike just just everything just broke off.
Did he get out of the way?
Yeah, he's fine.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's
The
good.
bike just stumbled.
Yeah.
Just complaining about wrist. All right.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna be at lunch. Make sure you stay tuned, because I'm back out on a MV Agusta with the Madman. So stay tuned for that video. But wow. But that's what happens. He is in position number 4. 4 crashes today, not too bad. So, holy shit! Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And of course, as always, give me a comment down below. We'll see you guys next video. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.